Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video we'll show you how to connect your Gmail to n8n to automate your mails. So guys, firstly in our home screen just create a new workflow. So just type in Gmail. Okay, now for example get a message. You can choose any action you want, create a credential, and now guys we will need to sign in with Google. So just sign in with Google, choose your account. And now as you can see, n8n wants access to your Google account. Just select all so that you have full access. Okay, I want to allow, just press this as well. Okay, continue. And now as you can see, connection is successful, and it took only a few steps to create this, guys, and to connect. So as you can see, account is created. Now you can just pretty much close this. And as you can see in our workflow, we have a get a message automated basically action that we can now customize if we want to, and and basically start working with it. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, if it was helpful, press like and of course subscribe. See you soon.